In today's video, we'll learn how to create a class in Google Classroom, step by step. To get started, go to the Google Apps menu in the top right corner of your screen and look for the classroom icon. If you scroll down a bit, you should find it there. Once you do, click to open Google Classroom. If you're opening Google Classroom for the first time, you'll be asked to choose whether you're a teacher or a student. Keep in mind, students cannot create classes, only teachers can. So, if you want to create a class, make sure to select Teacher as your role. As you can see, I already have a few classes created, but to make a new one, simply click the plus symbol icon in the top right corner. You'll get two options, Join Class or Create Class. Select Create Class. Now, you'll be asked to enter some basic details. The only required field is the class name, but you can also fill in optional fields like section, subject, or room, which can be helpful if you're working in a large school with multiple classes. Once you've entered your details, click Create. You'll be taken straight to the Stream page, which acts as the home screen for your class. From here, you can add students, post announcements, and assign classwork. You can also customize your classroom theme, or even upload your own banner image to make it more personal. And that's it. You can easily create Google Classroom. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.